The RAF has significantly increased its patrols in NATO airspace over Europe as a precaution against possible Russian aggression. RAF Typhoons are taking part in operations close to the Russian border. Our correspondent Emma Vardy joined one of the air crews on manoeuvres.
Havoc 1-2 established.
Policing the skies. We're over Poland at dawn, about 50 miles from the border with Russia.
Number 2 when you're up on number 1, if you can keep pressing forward just a little.
There have been growing fears of Russian aggression against other Eastern European countries, and NATO is taking no chances.
Our role as a tanker essentially is just to extend the range of the Typhoons. They've got smaller fuel tanks.
And after their next refuelling, they'll be off on patrol.
They'll come up to us, take some fuel, they'll go off and perform their mission.
NATO patrols in Eastern Europe began after Russia's invasion of Crimea in 2014. Now they've been significantly stepped up. While these fighter jets are up so close to Russian airspace, they're also able to gather a lot of important information on their radar about what Russian military planes are in the air and what they're doing. NATO has ruled out sending troops into Ukraine, but wants to demonstrate there is a strong presence ready to defend the region. The RAF says these patrols are a robust response to the escalating crisis below.
There's a very human element to it, and we all feel that. We all watch the news. We've been launching around 2 additional flights a day from the UK and additional flights as well from Cyprus. So it has been a really significant increase.
The Typhoons are armed with air-to-air missiles. If there was to be a Russian military incursion into a NATO country, these fighter jets may be cleared to engage them. But for now, it's hoped the increased presence will send a clear message. Emma Vardy, BBC News.